I was Team Apple until the iPhone 6. At that point, I moved over to Android with the Note 4, and since then have been with Android ever since. Now, I knew about the Apple AirPods here for well over a year now, but decided not to buy as they're primarily an Apple device. During that time, I have tried many and various completely wireless headphones with alternating luck. Just see some of my previous reviews. Now, just for the sake of finding out what all the fuss was about, I decided to pick up a set of the Apple AirPods. Here they are. The AirPods, whatever you want to call them, it's the completely wireless headphones from Apple. Lighter, thinner, more advanced. Yeah, jabba. I so wanted to hate them because I don't even have an iPhone and it's just going to be hassle. Oh man, they fit into my ears absolutely perfectly. I can run, jump, throw myself down a flight of stairs and they will still remain in my ears. They sound good. They're not going to win against the Sennheisers, the new $2,500 800 bad boys. They sound good. You're on the train, guys. You're not trying to recreate Mozart's Fifth. They sound good. And you know what? They don't disconnect. Never have they disconnected on me. They are solid as a rock. I've had them now for around 1 month and not a single disconnection. And they are just so convenient. Bam! In the ears, whack, in your pocket. Oh, I wanted to hate them. I linked them up with an iPhone and I managed to change what the tapping on each earbud does and it works beautifully with the Note 8. The double tap on one side I'm using to pause and play, and on the other side to skip a track. It works amazingly. These are the only truly wireless headphones I've ever had that do exactly what it says on the tin. They just work. And for that reason, these are, at the moment, my go-to for truly wireless headphone. You look like a bit of an idiot with them hanging out your ears, but it's worth it because they're just so good. Also, one thing to note, they actually sound good on phone calls as well. Some of the other wireless headphones make you sound like you're standing on your head in a bathtub, but these actually work. You can take a call with them, and when I asked the person on the other end, they didn't even realise. So they actually work. So if you don't have an iPhone, and that's the reason you're a bit worried about buying these, as long as you can get access to an iPhone to kind of set them up and adjust what the double taps do, once that's done, bam, they're good to go. Love these things 100%. Boom, let's go. As usual, guys, it's been emotional.